Vlogmas Day 18! And today
we are... Oh, I thought he was going to tell us what we're doing. No, I'm joking. We are going somewhere we've been before.
Wait, we haven't or we have?
We have been. Something you mentioned this week already.
Have I?
You have?
I don't remember what I was saying this week.
Somewhere where you really want to go again because it's really good. The Hippodrome.
Oh, actually?
Yes.
Yes! Hippodrome!
So we don't have to leave till 2 p.m. It's currently 12:30 because we decided to have a little bit of a slow morning because everyone was feeling very tired. So we are going to have a look around the arcade area and go to the shops because Dawn-Louise has some special things to pick out which we can't share with you. It's got to stay a secret for now. But yeah, we'll see you when we get in the entertainment venue. Bye!
Bye! We're going to the circus again! Oh, we should get snacks.
Oh, should we go to Asda and get those massive tubs of popcorn?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm not sure whether we can take stuff in now or not. I don't know.
I think you can.
Actually, yeah, no, if they sell it, they probably won't let us, will they? Because it's a smaller venue. Right, let's go anyway.
Bye!
So the other great thing about our caravan is that if we came here in the summer, we could put up a windbreaker in this corner and basically have our own private garden and put up like a kiddie pool or something, because back here is a school field, so obviously during the holidays no one's going to be there. But yeah, there's like tons of room back here. So if we just kind of blocked off this bit here with the lamppost, where the lamppost is, look at all the room that you could have as a little personal garden. But yeah, anyway, we are now going over to the entertainment. Say hi, pudding friends. Hello.
I forgot my ring.
You forgot your ring? Oh yeah, your ring. Right, you ready for an adventure?
Yes.
Is that where she's gone? Oh, bless her. That's a really tall slide. I said, man, that's a tall slide. Daddy said, of course you'd go straight to the swings. Yeah. Hello. Honestly, the weather today is really pretty. Like, look at that over there. I hear the train too. I have no idea what that is. I think maybe you sit on it and then you wobble it. Whoa. Bob, can you grab my bag, please? Because it's got money in it. Oh dear.
I just got this new gingerbread outfit from my day that I made last year.
Right, should we go have a look around the arcades?
Yeah.
Go on then. Sorry that you got kind of cut off there, Bob. I thought it was going to let us have 2 separate photos, but it did not do that. I hope that this is here every year so we can get one every year. Oh, that's so cute! missed. Where's Daddy going? Well, you didn't do bad, did you? Daddy wants to try and win me a Deadpool.
You have your own little media.
I think it's working.
Thank you.
Try, darling.
Try again.
So we've just been to the shop and Dawnie got that for her bear and I grabbed one of these for Dawnie. I would get one each, but they were £13, so, well, £12.9. Oh no, they were £12 exactly actually. But yeah, you can write your name there, so I just thought this would be really nice for us to use when we're away for Christmas. So because we really like going to the arcades, we have a rule that when we go to arcades, we're only allowed to play games that we've never played before, because that way we save money basically. Then obviously if we want to do everything, so it gives us something to look forward to in sets of challenge as well. And Great Yarmouth has a long line of arcades, so there are still more to come, just not from on site. And we have decided that we're going to take the little train, which I'm really excited about because I love little trains, all the way down to the Hippodrome and back. But I am going to pack some throw blankets just because the wind's picking up, so obviously it might get a little bit chilly. But yeah, I'm excited. We'll see you on the train. What the hell is that? Oh my god! What is it? I can hear it, but I can't see anything.
Oh, direction is going through.
Where's it coming from?
They're flying the different directions.
What on earth is that? Oh my god! What on earth is that? It's literally shaking the ground. It sounds like it's that way. It's going further away. I have no idea what that was. No idea at all. That was too loud to be a normal plane. That has to be a fighter jet of some kind. Like a well, not a Spitfire, but something like that. It's too cloudy. Literally couldn't see anything though. You excited for the little train? You forgot, didn't you? You excited for the little train?
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah, they are. They're fighter jets. Yeah. It's a little train. It's a little train. Oh my god, I love it. Doggies! Oh, I don't think I caught that. That's a shame. You'll have to find some people to wave at, won't you?
Yeah.
Oh, over there, there's a doggy over there. Doggy and an owner. Oh, I love that everyone's waving back. Oh, bless them. have to really lift it up to get it anywhere near your face. No, I've got to redo the settings because I did something on it. It doesn't move the way it used to anymore. Oh, I see doggies playing over there.
Looks like funny.
Yeah, possibly. I think we got a good seat here because it blocks so much of the wind, eh? Are you okay over there, Bob? Not too cold?
I think you fucking
You got the heat from the engine? Oh, do you want to put your gloves on?
No.
They go quite fast, so they probably won't see it, will they? I was thinking about this week, wasn't I? Oh! So that if we come next time we can do everything. Obviously everything within what time we have free anyway. But at least we have the money saved for it now. Whoa! Look how cool that fun house theme party thing is.
Yeah, I haven't done earlier.
Yeah, it's obviously not going to be open this time of year, and that's the problem. So we have just stopped for a brief period on the train. It's so much fun and it's not too cold, and we all got the lollipops. They're gluten and vegan free. No, they're not vegan free. There's not food that has vegans in it. Yeah, you guys enjoying it so far? What's the best part? Oh, and we're off. But yeah, that took 7 minutes, Bob.
Oh look.
Oh, sorry, 2:10. Oh wow. I don't know if I'm going to see that properly. That's cool. I don't think we came down this far last time. We were not going around. But yeah, that's the what's it called? Funfair. I just thought with it being windy I should have brought the microphone, but to be fair I wasn't really planning on talking to the camera on this, but hey ho, now we are. Oh my god, they do horse rides. The beach here really is very long, isn't it? I think it might be longer than Blackpool, you know. Bob.
Yeah.
Bob.
Yeah.
It'd be nice to hear what's going on, wouldn't it? Oh, what's that? Oh wow, I didn't realise that was there.
We should definitely do that at some point.
Oh, there's the pirate golf. Oh. I didn't see that advertised on Google Maps though.
What's that?
The swimming centre. That's got to be like, there might be like Waterworld, eh? We'll have to look into it, see how much it is.
Marina Centre.
Yeah, not for this trip, but in a future one maybe. Way! That might just be like a normal pool actually. Yeah, clip and climb fitness. That's a normal type of pool. It's not a big fun pool thing.
But it's like kind of got flumes at home.
At home. We got flumes at home, you don't need your choco ices. Honestly though, look how long the beach is.
Yeah.
I suppose when we're driving you can't really see it that clearly, can you?
No.
The golden nugget! Golden nugget! Oh, more golf. There's the Hippodrome! It says, look, right behind it. Oh! What do you think, Donnie? It's like, oh, wow, Donnie did quite good. Came out of the Hippodrome and we were waiting for the last train back to Haven. However, we don't think that it is coming because it's like 25-ish past and there is no sign of the train in sight. And on the sign back at Haven it said the last ride is 5:30 and online it says 4 p.m. but there's no like actual source, like they don't have their own like page or website or anything by the looks of things, not that we can find anyway. But it's only a 37-minute walk back and it's a straight line, and you know what, it's actually not bad. The weather's actually quite nice at the moment. It's cool, but with the coats on it doesn't really feel cold, does it? No. And we did bring 2 blankets anyway for Dawnie to go on the train because obviously with her heart we need to keep it nice and tasty and warm, and we did bring our thermal gloves as well. So I feel like once we've got the gloves on, possibly a blanket for Dawn-Louise, we won't even notice that it's cold. So we're just going to walk back and do bingo tomorrow because obviously we're going to miss it now. But the Hippodrome was brilliant. Again, they did a different show this time and added some new things, and the whole time you're just sat there with your mouth open because it's just astonishing that people can even be that strong. But yeah, we had a good night, didn't we? But yeah, we'll see you when we get back to the caravan. Go right, Dawnie, because there's a bridge. Duckies! Oh, duckies! Oh, I don't have any seeds. I want to feed the quacking duck. Hi, duckies. Hello. I'm so sorry. Can they have nuts? I brought nuts. Oh, sorry, guys. I don't think this works very well in low light. You can't really see the ducks. Oh, I need over. Bob, can we come back and feed the ducks, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. I like ducks. Can you tell? I love the way that it slowly moves around. That's what I love the way that when you turn this, it slowly moves around, so it doesn't look really like shoddy. Oh, look at all the duckies! Dawnie, get a clip of the duckies quick. Hello. It's hard to tell if this is actually going to pick up things in the dark, to be fair. I've not used it in low light before.
Might be a mode where you have to change it to.
Possibly. Don't know. Can we go to a B&M or something and get like a giant bag of seed and then just spend an hour feeding ducks? Oh, see that there is a sundial in the middle of this walkway. When I was a kid, I used to rent this film from the library, and I've never been able to remember what it's called. I've searched things into Google, I've never been able to find it. But it was about this girl who goes into a cemetery, finds a sundial, and then gets thrown back in time. You having a good night, Dawn-Louise? I did enjoy the Hippodrome, thank you. What's your favourite part of it?
I like doing it really.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm a bit tired. So desperately just want to get a canoe and just canoe around. Oh, another bridge! I like me a bridge. Ooh. Did you just fall over?
Yeah, I stood on a bit of a tree and
Oh, bless you.
it did not.
A bridge! Aww. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't see any ducks, Bob.
To the right, sorry, there.
Oh, okay, I see them now.
Sorry.
I want to feed them, it's not fair. Hi, duckies! Quack, 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 quack. They're chasing after us like you referred us, right? You are the only people here. More bridges! Oh, there's stairs to go down. Ooh, we won't do that now though. Huh? This is a nice little walk though, isn't it? It's a lot bigger than I was expecting it to be. It's nice, isn't it? I like all the little bridges. Be a nice spot to come with a little lunch, wouldn't it? Not quite a picnic, but a lunch.
Pardon?
Not quite a picnic, but a lunch. Oh, another bridge. It goes on for quite a while, doesn't it? I'm just sad that I don't have feeds for my duck friends, especially considering that I have some under the cupboard at home. But I keep forgetting to bring it with me. Okay. I was going to do that, I was just going to go over the bridge first.
Oh, done.
Okay. Duckies! Hi, duck! Oh, there's so many ducks! Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. There are so many ducks! Look at all the duckies! Hi, duck friends! I'm so sad I can't feed them. I love ducks so much. There's more duckies! There's loads of ducks! Oh, Bobbie, I want to feed them. It's not fair. There's so many duckies. Come on then, Donnie. Ducky, 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 duckies. Ducky, ducky, duckies. I want to feed the ducks. Bye, ducks. Quack, quack. Quack, quack, duck, ducks. Bob abandoned us. He stayed on the other side and we went over the bridge. Duckies! Hi, ducks! Quack, 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 quack. Hello, duckies! Why did you abandon us, Bob? Come back! I did say I was going over the bridge. Come back, Bob, come back! Dawn-Louise!
Show you waiting?
No, because I'm tired.
Should I waiting?
No, because I don't want you getting lost in the dark.
I don't get lost in the dark.
Really?
Yeah.
And then I just disappear. A wild Bob appears. Reunited and it feels so good. Hello. You left me all alone, Bob. You left me all alone.
But I am here now, my darling. Sorry, I lunged.
You lunged. Oh, shit. Oh, look, ducks.
A pond behind there.
There's ducks.
Quack, quack.
There's so many ducks. I want to feed the ducks so bad. I'm trying not to. Hi, ducks. Please don't swim away. I like you. They're coming over to say hi. Hello. Hello, swans. Hello. I'm really sorry. I do not have any seeds. I really wish that I did, and then I would feed you. But unfortunately, I did forget to bring them. How are we today? Are you having a good time? I know, you're very mad at me. I'm very sorry. I would love to give you some seeds, but I really don't have any. You having a good evening? Just chilling?
Hello.
Just going down the love tunnel, as it were? I'm guessing you're a lady on the left and that's your fella on the right, because he's a bit bigger than you. Oh, don't take offence to it. It's perfectly fine. If I stroked one of you, would you bite me? Because I feel like you might, but I also feel like you're coming over here for cuddles, and I would love to do so. Hello. Hello. Don't do that. That's just mean. I don't have any seeds. I'm really sorry. You seem very friendly and nice for swans, though. You just chilling, just enjoying the evening. It's very quiet, isn't it? So how's it going? What you been up to? Have the ducks bothered you at all today? They have? Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Are you having some marital problems today? Are you guys falling out? Oh, you're not even looking at each other. Oh, this is bad. Well, come back over here. Let's fix this. Come back over here. Come on, come together. Come together. Bob, I might have reached a new level of insanity. I'm now friends with swans. I said I've reached a new level of insanity. I'm now friends with the swans. They're very beautiful swans.
How do I listen?
They do have ears. They're just hidden. They're somewhere on the side of their heads under all the feathers. But yeah, see, now you've made him mad. He's like, I can hear you. I'm looking right at you. I'm conversing with you. You're very friendly. Well, I mean, you're making that hissing noise, which could be deemed as non-friendly. But you also are just chilling here with us and came straight over. So I do appreciate the effort. You're giving up now. You're like, no, she definitely doesn't have any seeds. I'm leaving. I'm sorry. I really am. If I could feed you, I would. I don't have anything on me. If I had some leftover pastry, I'd offer it up, but I just don't. I'm very sorry. Please don't look at me like that. I feel bad enough as it is. It was nice meeting you. Have a great time. Yep. All right. See ya.
Bye.
Thanks for stopping by. Chat to you later. I'll come back with seeds. I hope. Oh, he wagged his tail at that, so, you know, I chewed him up. Oh, he's come back. He's like, are you sure you don't have anything we can take? I'll take absolutely anything. You got any bread? You got any seed? Got any pastries? I wouldn't mind a chocolate eclair. I'm really sorry, darling. I really don't have anything. I know, you're looking at it like, where's the seed? But I just don't have any. And, like, your partner's looking at you like you're an idiot. She said no. So, you know, you got to look good, cool in front of the lady. You need to go back now. Well, I appreciate the excitement, but I still don't have... Oh, he's doing a leg stretch. I'm really sorry I don't have any seeds. I would really, really, truly love to feed you.
We don't have any.
I just don't have anything. Can I pet you? If you come here, I'll give you pets instead. But you have to come over here, because I'm not coming over to you and freaking you out. It's not going to happen. It's not worth it. But I'm going to get closer. Do not pet me. Don't do it. Don't do it. Can I stroke your head? Can I stroke you?
I don't think you should try.
Oh, don't hurt yourself, darling. You having oh, bless you. Did you sneeze in the water? That didn't sound good. You having a little itch? Oh, scratchy scratch. Can I pet you? Come here, I'll pet you. Come on. Come closer. Right, just chill. You're okay. Oh, no, okay, that's okay. Oh, oh dear. Oh, oh no. Oh dear. Oh, you thirsty? Hello. Hi there. Would you like to be petted?
Hello.
If you want, you can get petted.
Can swans
I will
fly
be.
out the water?
Yeah, of course they can. They can fly as
Can
well.
they?
Yeah, Daddy and I saw one flying the other day, and it was the coolest thing I've ever seen, because I actually haven't seen them fly before. No, Come here.
Do you fly? Do you come on?
Do you want to be petted?
Why? Why?
Do you want to be pets? Do you want to be friend? No? Okay.
You got a tongue. You show me your tongue. No, you're not showing me your tongue. Okay. No, you're not. What are you doing then? You don't know. That's fun. Do you swim? You don't swim. Do you? You do have an itch. That's it. What are you doing? It's like he's shielding himself.
It's like that light is too bright. Turn it out, Mum. I want to go back to bed.
Hello.
Hey, sweetheart.
Are you wagging your tail?
You're very
Are
pretty.
you a sweetheart? Are you wagging your tail? You wagging your tail? You go wag wag. Wag you wag wag. Do you know what a haven is? No.
If you come to it, then we can pet you full time, just saying. If that's you moving in.
Get you seeds.
Yeah, this is definitely the boy.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
How do you know?
Because the black bit on his head's fatter, so I'm pretty sure that means he's a boy. I'm really sorry, darling. I don't have any seeds. I feel like you think I'm waiting to give it to you, but I just don't have any. I know you're looking at it like, where are they? But I just don't have any. Right, stay still. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. No. Oh, I was so close. I promise you, pets feel good. You would like them. No, because I don't want him to think that I'm going to fit him. I don't want him to think that I'm going to feed him and then not get anything. That's cruel. Look at his little leggies in the water. Oh, little leggies.
Little leggies, little leggies. Ba, ba, ba.
You're very beautiful. I feel really bad that I don't have any seeds, because you guys are just like adamant that I'm going to eventually put something down, aren't you? No, you're not? Have I got that wrong? Because you're both just lurking now. And as much as I appreciate it, I do feel a bit guilty right now. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here.
Come on. Not dogs.
I know. Come here. Come on.
Mum,
Shh, he's listening. Come here. That's it. Come here.
stop that. It's making him scared.
I'm not making him scared. He's coming closer.
Why
Bless
don't
you.
just let him
Come
drink
here.
some water on the thing?
Come on. Come here.
Is that? Oh, sneezing. You doing sneezels?
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here now. Come on then. Can you come here? You're big and brave. Come on. Come on. Come on over. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. No. Okay. To you too, sir. Goodbye, little feathered friends. In another lifetime, I would have had seed and fed you. Well, okay, if you keep coming back, I'm not going to feel any less guilty, am I? No, I'm not, exactly. Oh, she's having a scratch.
He's like approaching the phone like, hello.
Hello.
I've come to your diner.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Mum, why are you like, he's really sad? Let's go back.
Because he's not close enough. My arms aren't that long, Dolly. Yeah, if they don't have young... Honestly, I don't get why people think swans are so aggressive. I've fed loads of swans. You just don't go near them when they've got, like, really young babies with them. Or when there's, like, lots of swans and you don't have enough food for all of them, then they will get very mad at you. But other than that, they're pretty chill. Just big ducks, really, aren't you? Just giraffe ducks. Hello. Don't worry, that's just Dawny. She's just standing up. I'm sorry, there's still no seeds there. I know you keep coming back thinking that I've prepared like an 8-course meal for you. I just have not. Would you like me to attempt pets again? Because you keep coming back, so that does make me wonder. Would you like me to try and pet you? No? You're running away? Okay. Well, should I leave you and your missus alone then, so you can enjoy your peaceful swim? Yeah? Should we say goodbye? Can you say goodbye? Can you wave? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I see one still standing there. Imagine if we were to be caught in the rain.